there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On one side, we have the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, and on the other, the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter. Buckle up, because things are about to get airborne. Alright, let's talk cameras. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and 2.7K real-time image transmission. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. Reviewers have appreciated its high-quality videos and photos, although some noted a bit of shakiness. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone also flexes a 4K camera but adds a 110 degrees wide-angle lens for those epic panoramic shots. Users love its camera quality, describing it as decent for its price range, although there's a slight lag in the live feed. Both drones are ready to make your Instagram pop, but which one will make your followers jealous? Next up, intelligent functions. The Bwine F7 comes with GPS and optical flow mode, offering waypoint flying, orbit mode, and subject tracking. It's practically a flying stalker, but in a good way. Reviewers found it performs well, even in windy conditions, and praised its customer support. The Gloral drone, on the other hand, brings GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. Users appreciate its ease of use and stability in GPS mode. Both drones are smart, but which one has the brains to match your brawn? Safety first, folks! The Bwine F7 has a one-key return function, low battery auto-return, and connection loss recovery. It's the helicopter parent of drones, never letting you out of its sight. Reviewers mentioned its reliability and helpful features. The Gloral drone also has return-to-home functionality and intelligent fail-safe features. It's like having a drone with a built-in safety net. Users found it durable and capable of withstanding minor crashes. Both are reliable, but which one will save your bacon when things go south? Now, let's talk portability. The Bwine F7 folds up to the size of a hamburger. Yes, you heard that right. A hamburger. It's the ultimate travel buddy. Reviewers loved its portability, making it a great companion for outdoor activities. The Gloral drone is also compact and foldable, making it perfect for your next outdoor adventure. Users appreciated its carrying case and neat folding design. It's like having a drone that fits in your back pocket. Well, almost. Finally, flight time. The Bwine F7 gives you up to 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's an hour of uninterrupted sky-high fun. Reviewers found the battery life impressive, although some mentioned limited range. The Gloral drone offers up to 46 minutes with its 2 batteries. Users praised its outstanding battery life and impressive range. It's like the marathon runner of drones, but the Bwine F7 is the ultra-marathoner. Overall, reviewers have praised both drones for their unique features and performance. The Bwine F7 is lauded for its high-quality camera, intelligent functions, and portability, although some noted limited range and shaky footage. The Gloral drone is appreciated for its ease of use, stability, and budget-friendly price, with users highlighting its good camera quality and durability. So there you have it, smart buyers. The Bwine F7 and the Gloral drone are both fantastic options, but it ultimately depends on what you're looking for. If you want something lightweight, FAA compliant, and packed with intelligent features, go for the Bwine F7. But if you're after a budget-friendly option with a killer camera and great safety features, the Gloral drone is your wingman. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.